Hey everyone, if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with smart, stylish, and genuinely useful appliances, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 popular kitchen picks from compact ovens to portable warmers covering what they do well and where they fall short. Let's jump in. Number 1. Our Place Wonder Oven. First up is the Our Place Wonder Oven, a sleek 6-in-1 air fryer toaster oven combo. It can air fry, bake, roast, toast, broil, and reheat all in a compact footprint. I really love the steam infusion feature, which helps revive leftovers and keeps food from drying out. It also heats up super fast and cooks evenly. Pros: stylish design, fast preheat, steam feature, versatile cooking. Cons: smaller capacity for big families and manual controls only. Perfect for couples or small households who want performance without clutter. Number 2. Our Place Dream Cooker. Next is the Our Place Dream Cooker, a 6-quart multi-cooker with pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, and warm modes. The ceramic nonstick pot is a big win, easy to clean and fuzz-free. I also like the touchscreen simplicity and auto steam release, which makes pressure cooking less intimidating. Pros: safe pressure cooking, easy controls, great for family meals. Cons: fewer preset programs than some competitors. A great all-in-one cooker for everyday home cooking. Number 3. Crock-Pot Electric Lunchbox. If you need something portable, the Crock-Pot Electric Lunchbox is a fan favorite. It's designed to warm food on the go, whether you're at work, traveling, or in the car. It's spill-resistant, compact, and super easy to clean. Pros: lightweight, affordable, travel-friendly, simple to use. Cons: only warms food, no actual cooking. Ideal for busy days when you want a warm homemade meal anywhere. Number 4. Our Place Splendor Blender. The Our Place Splendor Blender packs a 1000-watt motor into a compact, modern design. It handles smoothies, shakes, and even ice pretty well, and the self-cleaning feature is a time saver. Pros: strong motor, toxin-free materials, easy cleanup. Cons: fewer blending modes and mixed customer reviews. A solid choice for daily smoothies with a clean, minimalist look. Number 5. Dual Zone Food Warming Mat. Last up is this Dual Zone Food Warming Mat, perfect for family dinners or parties. It heats up in just 10 seconds, offers multiple temperature settings, and rolls up for easy storage. Safety features like auto shut-off and child lock are a huge plus. Pros: fast heating, flexible, safe, great for entertaining. Cons: requires a power outlet and space on the table. A smart solution for keeping food warm without reheating. So there you have it, 5 kitchen essentials for different needs and lifestyles. If one of these fits your routine, it could be a real game changer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.